It's been over a year and a half since we left Canada. We're so excited to be boarding our first international flight since then, and we can't wait to show you guys where we're going.
Welcome to Paris! Our first morning in Paris. Yesterday we arrived in the afternoon, but it definitely took some time to get to the hotel because the airport is actually like way outside of Paris, and we took the bus, we took the metro, and then finally we got to the hotel around 3:30, and we just really took it easy. We met up with my friend and we got our new DB backpacks from her and went to Trocadéro for the first time. Today we are starting off on the right foot and gonna go grab breakfast near our hotel. So we are at Café Belloy. This is just 3 minutes away from our hotel, and we got ourselves the Petit déjeuner extra, which is like the extra breakfast. So we got our omelets with salmon, our croissants, a coffee, and a juice. And we're really excited because this is our first time being able to have like a traditional French breakfast, and we're gonna start the day after that.
So for those of you who didn't actually know, this is actually my first time in Europe. Like literally the entire continent of Europe, Paris is literally my first stop. Lauren's been to so many countries in Europe. She's been here. She's pretty much like a local almost. But for me, it's my first time, and honestly, everything has been so fantastic. We are finished breakfast, obviously, and on the same street, Avenue Kléber, is the Arc de Triomphe.
Yeah, that's right, babe.
Right? The Arc de Triomphe. So we're just heading over there right now. I think it's probably like a maybe 5-minute walk from the little cafe. That's really awesome because, well, it's going to be our second official landmark after the Eiffel Tower yesterday.
Yeah.
So come with us today as we venture around the Champs-Élysées and hopefully catch some more Parisian vibes. Here we go.
We've been just strolling along the Champs-Élysées for the past hour or so. And babe, what are your first impressions of this street? Because I know that you've wanted to visit Champs-Élysées for a while now.
I have, and the first thing I've noticed, it is extremely busy, but that is not unexpected.
Yeah.
It is an absolute haven for people who love to shop and who love to eat great food. So I think that's two of the main things that I've seen. Now, we're not exactly the biggest shoppers, but it was still very cool to just see the architecture of the buildings, the different shops, and honestly, it was still a really great experience.
Yeah, it was so awesome. And right now we are just relaxing our feet in the Jardin de Champs-Élysées, so the gardens, and we are heading east towards Place de la Concorde.
All right, catch you guys there.
We were heading towards Place de la Concorde, but then we got sidetracked and went towards Invalides, towards the bridge of Alexandre III, and we definitely saw some beautiful views of the Eiffel Tower across the Seine River. And now we are just super hungry, so we stopped by this pizza place, an outdoor kind of street market kind of thing, right by the Seine River, and we're gonna dig into this delicious pizza. Earlier today, we did hit up the Concorde, and then we went to the Louvre and the garden of the Tuileries, and it was so busy. I mean, it is a Sunday, but if you do want to come on a less crowded day, especially if you're photographing, the best day is to come on a Tuesday, because that's when the museum is actually closed. So fewer people are surrounding the buildings. And right now we are
heading over to the Eiffel Tower. Yesterday we were in Trocadéro, which is a great photo spot. But today we're hoping to get closer to the tower and catch an epic sunset.
Did hit up some gorgeous close-up views of the Eiffel Tower, but we decided to come back to this bridge, the Belloy footbridge, because it has the best vista of the Eiffel Tower. Plus, with this gorgeous sunset and the Seine in the back, like, who cannot admire it?
Hotel, resting a little bit. Lauren took a solid 1.5 hour nap while I sort of stayed awake and did a little bit of work.